Welcome back to yet another part of Top 50 Excel Shortcut series. If you have not seen the earlier part of this series, then please see it because you are missing something very important. I have provided the link of the same in the description box below. This is the third part of the series, so stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Number 11. Select row or column. Both rows and column can be selected with keyboard shortcuts. To select a row, use Shift space, and to select a column, use Control space. Once you have a row or column selected and you want to extend your selection beyond, you can hold down the Shift key and use appropriate arrow keys to do so. However, if you are working in an Excel table, these shortcuts will select rows and columns within the table, not the entire worksheet. Number 12. Find next match. Although basic but worth knowing. Once you have set up a find and have found at least one match, you can keep finding the next match by using Shift F4 in Windows and Command G in Mac. In case if you don't know, I have also written down shortcuts for find and replace on the screen. Number 13. Add non-adjacent cells to selection. You will often need to enter the same data or change formatting or check some of several cells which are not adjacent. This can be easily done by using Control-click in Windows and Command-click in Mac. Just select the first cell, then hold down the Control or Command key and click other cells to add them to your selection. Number 14. Show the active cell on the worksheet. Sometimes you have a worksheet open and the cursor is nowhere in sight. At such times, you could press any arrow key to bring the cursor into view, which generally people do. Or you could even check the name box to get the location of the active cell. But there is yet another way. You can just use Control Backspace in Windows, Command Delete in Mac to get the cursor in view. Isn't this unique? Number 15. Display Go to Dialog Box. The Go to Special Dialog Box is a somewhat like the Paste Special Dialog Box, which has multiple utility hidden within itself. You can use Ctrl G in both the platforms to open Go to Dialog Box, but unfortunately, this shortcut only gets you halfway. You need to click the special button to get all the hidden treasure. I will have a special video on this to explain in detail. I hope this shortcut will change the way you work in Excel. If you found this video useful, please like and share this with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. See you soon in next video with part 4 of this series.